Hey everyone! Welcome back to Viz Channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating contradiction, curiosity and laziness. Yes, I believe many of you out there are curious souls always seeking knowledge and experience, but maybe you sometimes feel a little, well, lazy. But guess what? That's perfectly okay. Today I'm going to share how to harness that curiosity of yours, ignite your passion, and transform it into actionable steps. We're talking about turning those what if moments into I did it victories. Make sure to stick around until the end for some unique tips that can help you convert that curiosity into action. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to join our community of lifelong learners. Alright, let's talk about curiosity. It's a wonderful trait. It's that little voice inside you that says, "Ooh, that's interesting. Tell me more." It's the driving force behind our thirst for knowledge, like wondering how the universe works, asking why the sky is blue, or feeling a pull towards a new skill you want to learn. It's like that time I saw a squirrel eating a pancake. I had so many questions. But here's the thing, sometimes, curiosity meets its arch nemesis, laziness. And trust me, I'm very familiar with this nemesis. It's like a comfy blanket on a cold day. You just don't want to leave. This clash can lead to a paradox where you're super curious about something, but taking that first step feels like climbing Mount Everest. You might find yourself binge-watching videos on a topic you're interested in, but then the thought of actually trying it out makes you want to crawl back into bed. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there. It's that cozy comfort zone that often holds us back. But here's the good news. Awareness is the first step to change. Just by watching this video, you're already on the right track. You're acknowledging that you want to bridge the gap between curiosity and action, and that's awesome. Remember, it's okay to feel lazy sometimes. We all have those days. The key is to not let laziness win. Think of it like a dance-off. You gotta show laziness who's boss. And that's what we're going to talk about in the next chapter. How to embrace your curiosity and turn it into action. Get ready to unleash your inner explorer.
I don't ever slow up, I don't take shit.
Those first few steps, you'll be amazed at where it takes you. And while you're at it, give yourself a pat on the back for being awesome. curiosity adventures. You won't regret it. Alright folks, let's face it, sometimes, even with the best intentions, it can be tough to stay motivated on our own. We all have those days when we just want to curl up on the couch and binge watch our favorite shows, and that's okay. But if you're serious about nurturing your curiosity and turning it into action, having a support system can make all the difference. That's why I highly recommend finding yourself a curiosity buddy. Think of it like a workout buddy, but instead of hitting the gym, you're hitting the books, the museums, the online forums, basically any place where you can learn and explore together. Your curiosity buddy can be anyone, a friend, a family member, a coworker, or even someone you met online who shares your interests. The important thing is that you have someone who understands your thirst for knowledge and is willing to embark on this journey of discovery with you. Having a curiosity buddy can help in so many ways. For starters, it provides accountability. You're less likely to skip out on your curiosity time if you know someone else is counting on you. Plus, it's way more fun to learn and explore with a friend. You can share your findings, discuss your thoughts and ideas, and even challenge each other to dive deeper into certain topics. It's like having a built-in brainstorming partner who's always down to explore the unknown. So reach out to that friend who's always up for an adventure, join an online community related to your interests, or even just ask your family if they want to have a weekly curiosity night. You'll be amazed at how much more you can learn and achieve when you have a supportive crew by your side. So, there you have it. If you're curious but feel a bit lazy, embrace your curiosity, reward yourself, create a schedule, and find a buddy. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Curiosity is the spark, and with a little action, you can fuel your passions. Don't let those what-if thoughts linger. Turn them into I did it moments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. What are you curious about? What steps are you planning to take? I can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.